Greetings, Scout Remote Learning Land. Let's say that you've got to join a Zoom meeting and do work at the same time. Given the fact that not everybody has the ability to get multiple monitors, how do you make the most of the screen that you have on the machine in front of you? There's a couple different ways. So let's do a couple things. Let's join a Zoom meeting. And I'm going to click Open Zoom Meetings because I want to use the actual desktop version. You'll hear that I just got into my own meeting. So now what happens on my screen is I'm going to join with computer audio. That here, if this screen comes up like this, how am I going to get more of my screen back? Well, there's a couple of different ways. One way to do this is to use a little trick called Alt and Tab. So if I press the Alt key next to the spacebar and I press Tab, it will show me every window of application that I have open. If I want to go over to Chrome, I can click that, and it hops back over to Chrome, which would then allow me to go back into Schoology to access a different browser. The problem with this is, well, what if you want to see more than one thing at a time? Windows has a neat feature called snapping, Windows snapping. So I'm going to make this a little smaller, and then I'm going to take this window and I'm going to snap it to the left-hand side. And now it's saying Chrome over here automatically fills the right-hand side. So it allows me to both see my Zoom call and do my work. It's not ideal because it can be a little bit tiny, but it's better than nothing. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.